Welcome to Hawkmar Outdoors.
And on this episode, we're going to be making a mess kit feast. We're going to have rum ham, some Backwoods mac and cheese, and to healthy it up a little bit, we're going to have some asparagus as well.
It's going to be delicious, so y'all stay tuned.
All right, to get this started, I'm going to get everything set out here. Got the Polish mess kit we're going to be using for the noodles. Inside here, we got the main event. We've got the cooked ham. It's not spam, it's ham. I got my rum glaze that I'm going to be putting on there. Couple things of garlic. And got all the seasonings in here. And the noodles. And of course asparagus. We'll be cooking it up for y'all. Got our water boiling. We're gonna go ahead and add the noodles. Careful, don't burn yourself. Probably about 6-7 minutes on this. You don't want to be completely done because when we add the cheese sauce we're going to make up here, it's going to cook a little bit longer. Won't get real fancy with this Backwoods mac and cheese. I'm going to make a roux for it. First thing I want to do is I got some of this shelf-stable butter we're going to use, and some olive oil. And we're going to add some garlic. All right, got our garlic going here. Get her good and chopped up, nice and fine. Just a little smash on it. We'll put that into the pan. It's going to go onto the fire. Well, got all the butter, oil, and garlic in here. I'm gonna get it melted down. Pretty much when I start to smell the garlic, I know it's ready to go. Our garlic and butter and olive oil is going here. We're gonna add a couple tablespoons of whatever the heck this spoon is. I don't know. A couple of spoons of this flour here, not too much. Stir it up to a point where it starts to get dark brown. Because if you don't do it enough, then it's all floury and it doesn't taste very good. The roux has gotten to the color I kind of like. Make sure it's all good and cooked up. And forgot to say, we're cooking the cheese is going to be Velveeta and Parmesan, all shelf-stable cheese. I try to find items that you can take out on the trail with you. You don't have to worry about refrigeration. Add little chunks in here. And Parmesan cheese, it doesn't really need a refrigerator. We're gonna get that stirred up. Just a little bit of water. Move this over to the hotter portion of it. Our cheese sauce is coming together. You're gonna notice when you're making it, since it's kind of like and since you got that roux in there, just add water to it to the consistency that you like, and just keep stirring it in over the heat. And it'll come out good.
Before you is one of the finest hams known to mankind. It's premium, means it's good cooked ham. It comes in its own special little can here. Look at that, folks. Just look at that ham. That's good stuff there. Here, look at that. Now I'm gonna cut this into pretty thick chunks. There you go, folks. Fine ham. We've got our ham in our little mess kit here. I'm gonna put that right on the coals. We'll let that brown up. Flip it, let the other side brown up. Then we're gonna use Hawkins' special rum sauce, consisting of rum, barbecue sauce, mustard, and brown sugar. It's gonna be great, folks. Just wait and see.
The noodles are all done. It's been sitting here for a while, cooling off, so. Empty out the water. Try to leave a little bit in there at the bottom. Once your sauce gets to the consistency that you want, I'm gonna add a little bit of this gourmet burger seasoning. It gives a nice smoky flavor to it. Has a little salt and pepper in it. Add a little bit of that in. Stir it all together. And we're gonna add this cheese sauce to our noodles. The noodles have a little bit of water in them from when we drained them. And we're gonna let this all cook together for a while. But it smells really good. My gosh, it smells really good. Just stir that up. Backwoods mac and cheese on the way. We're gonna just cook these on the grill, but I think we're gonna put them in the rest of this cheese sauce here. Put in that mess kit. It's gonna be good.
I'm gonna pour about half of this rum sauce onto our ham. We're gonna create rum ham. Just drizzle it right over there, nice and slow. That's it. I'm gonna let that heat up. All those flavors come out. Rum ham. Things are really taking shape. The mac and cheese is just almost ready to go. The rum ham's is glazing up. And our asparagus just softening up a little. We like a little crunch to ours, so it's taking shape. It'll be done real soon, folks. My God, Hawkins, this looks good enough to take to the beach.
Yeah, you have to watch out for all the dogs. They definitely like the rum ham for sure.
That's true.
Came up really good. Mac and cheese, amazing. That roux that you make, oh man, it's so good.
Yeah.
The rum ham, Meyer made it up for y'all.
Good.
Came up really good.
Your special sauce drizzled all over it.
Yeah.
Made it delicious.
It is. It's very good.
So, yeah, I mean, this thing is phenomenal. I mean,
yeah.
That mac and cheese is out of this world.
Mm-hmm. And all the items that I picked out here are pretty much non-perishable. So you go on a hike or something like that, you don't have to worry about refrigeration and stuff. It was all made on these mess kits. You can do a lot of good food with these little mess kits, but we like doing this, making these series for y'all. Came out really good, but it's time to chow down.
Yeah.
And so y'all have a good one.
Yeah, thanks for watching.